Hello cheese lovers, it's Hungry Masha. Today I have 3 breakfast ideas for you. Let's start with our potato pancakes with melting cheddar inside. We break an egg into the mashed potatoes and mix it. I use the mashed potatoes from yesterday's dinner, it makes the process faster. Now let's add flour, cumin. It will add nice nutty flavor to our pancakes. Now let's grate cheddar. I like its color. It will look nice inside our pancakes. We form our cheese blobs and put them inside the potato. We seal the cheese inside the pancake to prevent it from oozing out. Fry the pancakes in a pan with sunflower oil. Don't forget to fry them on both sides. Let's check what we have inside. Perfect. Nice melting cheese. Now let's move on to our multi-cheese sandwich. Now we will put our cheeses on a slice of bread. What can be easier? We add a pinch of thyme, zest, and we put it into the oven preheated to 200 degrees for 7 minutes. The sandwich is ready. Just look at this melting cheese. And finally, the omelette with feta. I whisk the eggs with a drop of milk. Then let's slice pepper and cut feta into cubes. We fry our omelette on both sides. Once we flipped it over, we put our ingredients on one half of the omelette. Cover them with the other half and leave it for a few minutes under a lid. Our cheesy breakfasts are ready. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. We wish you a nice day!